yatuwadde update y'olubuto olulala.
Ani mukodemi wamwe?
Kasuku.
Ani manyi Dr. Hamza.
Oyo azaazisa Kasuku akebera. Yasooka n'atwala Farida ne tukwakana. Kati yatuwadde lwa Queen Sheebah. Kasuku luno bw'oluteeba tetukuzzaako ngalo.
Tugenda kukusasula.
Soko
naye olwa Sheebah nga baluugira dda.
Bamuzaaza n'omwana mu COVID. Nze nawe nali ndyawe munyonya omwana.
Naye Sheebah yazaala.
Now, I also got news that Sheebah is pregnant.
Which Sheebah?
Sheebah Karungi.
Era
olina ngamba nti Kasuku gwe bw'oba olowooza nkulimba gwe mugambe nti olinayo booking mu September or October. Now, that is the news that is moving right now.
She's going to give birth in September.
There is that video that came that she's dancing Ruto Semu Maso Najikuba disclaimer. Now I've seen on her social media pages, she's putting there pictures which Katwene Mbozana Ebine. Nanga ifana ni seriously yakakati.
Yabikubadda.
Kasuku, she said she was bloated.
Well, that is what she said. But my source, the one who placed me the other info
of Farida.
Yasoka nampe ya Momo 19 ngantufu. Nampe ya Rapi ngantufu. Nampe ya Farida ngantufu yampadde neno.
Who is that source? We are going to investigate that source.
What? So I await to see. So like Farida said the other time, like we said on Farida, that we shall see. We shall not confirm, neither shall we deny. Because the pregnancy moves what?
Forward.
So we are waiting to see exactly. What will it say?
Do you know the father?
That one I also time only.
So, so you want people to just tease booking Sheebah?
Hey.
But she's a hustler. She can give birth, then tomorrow she goes and works.
If it doesn't happen now, then in October or September we shall see. So we are waiting to see.
So what happens? The rumors that we had.
That what? That she loves fellow women. Those rumors. They are not true.
Zayo. Brian Mlondani Company Advocates ngamba balinga mumwe. Wacho oyinza okubuuza ekibuuzo nti which Sheebah?
Kubanga Sheebah
ebbanga lyamazeewo 15 years ali mu industry n'akuba omuziki.
Ye nga waliwo Sheebah ky'omulala.
Kubanga King Sheebah yagenda butabika. Era ani ayinza okukera okudiscussinga King Sheebah.
Sheebah abalala bali bakazi battu tubamanyi. Era when you say Sheebah is pregnant,
eggwanga lino lina Sheebah omu. Neddala okukkiriza nti Sheebah asobola ofuna olubuto ddala mwakyabagweramu ddala essuubi nti temukyakirowoolezaako ddala tekiri mu birowoozo byammwe.
Olina okubuuza which Sheebah?
Omwana mu Uganda ebintu ebyaviirawo ddala kati ekyo kiri tukigasse kumu ku byo. Tebakugamba Sheebah ali lubuto nti which Sheebah. Kyakati wano mu Uganda kugamba nti
Mune Kasuku ayinza okuba ayogera ku muganda we Sheebah.
Ate akola amawulire. Kati wano mu Uganda kugamba nti president awummudde. Era obuuza fans club ki.
Olutambula mu ba celebrities.